Alright, we're back. All cleaned up. We got a box of air. What did we get? Priority mail. Don't know what we got. Hey, it's going to Tatro machine. Hey, that's my address, in case you get lost. Let's see what I got sent. Usually with something light like this, it's a piece of tin or a tail light lens or something stupid like that. Let's see. Ooh, look at that blister pack. What's in here? I got that. Ooh, I know what that is. That's a good part. Good popcorn too. I like this style popcorn better too. It's easier to clean out. There we go. That's a nice part. Look at that. See what that is? You know what that is? I know what it is. That's a race bike part. That's what that is. That's for a real race bike too, not that modern crap. Not like that piece of crap there. It's for something really old, something good. For a flathead motor. Or a Sportster. Tack good too. Trying to cut myself. There we go, now I get to it. Look at that. Distributor cover. Brand new. NOS. But broken. That's not very good when it's broken. That is going to go back to eBay and say, hey, you sold me a broken part. This is a tack drive for a Sportster. When you run a little Smith tack on it, which is what I use on my race bikes. So you take a standard auto advanced distributor, which is what this is for, and it has this drive pops right into it, and you have a tack drive. It's a mechanical tack drive. So it's a very, very nice part, except it's broken. So that means they broke it, took it right back off in the box. And it sat on the shelf for about 40, 50 years, and then I bought it. So this is going to go back to the, see if I can get my money back on that one, because it's junk. Sold it new. It is new. New broken. Alright, so you get stuff like that. Oh well. You're not going to see that in the picture. That's too small a part to see like that, and they're not going to tell you about it either. They might even know it. They might not know it's broken too, I don't know. But they're going to know when I tell them. Alright, so that one goes back. So that came from Tennessee. Alright, junk. Junk good parts. Oh well, disappointing.